Kanak Infosystems. In this video, I will show you a new feature of POS version 19, which is known as presets. In presets, we can set the order type in the POS. For example, first we are having dine-in and takeout, but in 19 we are also having delivery. Also, we can add any new presets accordingly. So in delivery, we can provide the preparation capacity, also the address. Means whenever a delivery is selected in any order, the customer is required and the address should be set in the customer. So let's have an example. Also, let's see how we can configure it. So in our point of sale, we will go in configuration settings. Here we have option of takeout, delivery and members. Here we will select the presets methods in available, and we will select as a dine-in as a default. We will save this. We will go in our POS, continue selling. So now, for example, our table here the option of dine-in set. I will make an order and I can see here there are multiple options. Now I will select delivery. So here the customer is required. I will select any customer. So customer address is required, means there is no address in the customer. So I will just add here. And we will save this. So here the delivery has been set. We will now make payment. So now here you can see that the address of the customer is also displaying here. So this is the new feature of Odoo 19. Thank you.